Yesterday was a big day for Motorola, as it announced the Edge 60, Edge 60 Pro, Razr 60, and Razr 60 Ultra. The Edge 60 Pro is also headed to India, the brand has now revealed, and it will have its launch over there on April 30th. The phone will be sold through Flipkart, Motorola's online store, as well as leading retail stores, whatever that means. In its teaser materials for the Indian launch, Motorola says the Edge 60 Pro has the world's most immersive 1.5K true color quad-curved display, which is a claim so insanely specific with all those qualifiers that it borders on meaningless. Fret not, however, for the Edge 60 Pro also has the segments-only 50MP plus 50MP plus 50X most advanced AI camera, and the segment's most personalized AI. As a reminder, the handset comes with a 6.7-inch POLED screen with 120Hz refresh rate and 4500 nit peak brightness, the MediaTek Dimensity 8350cc, 8/12GB of RAM, 256/512GB of storage, a triple rear camera system, 50MP main with OIS, 10MP telephoto with 3x optical zoom and OIS, 50MP ultra-wide with autofocus, a 50MP selfie snapper, and a 6000 mAh battery with support for 90W wired and 15W wireless charging.